All right, we are hitting up the Westfield Fashion Square out in Sherman Oaks. Got a shoe palace, they got a Footlocker. They usually got stuff. Let's go. Parking lot is full. I'm not used to hitting up the malls on Sundays. I forgot how packed they get. All right, let's go. I already see some heat here. Let's go, let's go. All right, we are hitting up the Westfield Fashion Square out in Sherman Oaks. Got a shoe palace, they got a Footlocker. They usually got stuff. Let's go. Let's go. I already see some heat here. Let's go. Let's go. All right, do got to these bad boys right here. The Flint 13s. I don't see any of the pink ones. All right, let's look around. Let's look around some more. But yeah, these ain't bad. These ain't bad. Do have the 3M on them. These match with everything. Pretty much the military blacks. Pretty much that version of the 13. I really do like these. Maybe I'll find one at the outlets. I just don't want to pay full price for much right now. Do got the nice tumbled leather on them. These are fire, dude. These are fire. Really surprised they don't have the pink ones. All right, we're gonna check some of the other shops, see if anybody else has them. We'll go over the Jordan selection, 6s, 7s, 11s. These should be on sale, $150. Do got the ones here. Okay, I don't think I hit up any stores that had these this past week. So yeah, these did release this past week. I wasn't the biggest fan of them. Material's actually pretty nice. It's like a canvas material. All right, dude, I wasn't the biggest fan of these. I did skip them. $180 for these Jordan 1 highs. I totally forgot what these are called. I had to look it up. The Skyline colorway of the Jordan 1 highs. They're all right. I'm not too big fan of them. And of course got mids, lucky green mids, $125. Kind of like a bread, reverse bread. I don't know, $110. Got these as well. The lucky green lows. But still got the highs. $180 for those. And then the lightnings. Dude, got these bad boys. Okay. And then I told you fools to look out for these. They've been having restocks. I hope you guys did not pay resale for these. The penny ones, they do have these. Can you believe it? $180 for those. Man, classic colorway, Orlando colorway. Is this like is this the original? I don't know the production dates for the original ones, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe they just made more. I don't know, but yeah, that is fire. Nike's a genius, man. They do a great job of creating hype, making stuff limited, and then they'll release more later. So don't get too caught up if you do take L's. But yeah, these are fire. These are fire. Fools are paying way over retail for them a while back. I'm like zigzagging left and right. Do got the Adelettes. Man, I've showed these a bunch of times. It's a cool little colorway. $55. A little bit steep, but yeah, these are fire. It's great to be able to get these, without paying resale and stuff like that, because dang, everything had resale at one point. But yeah, these are fire, dude. Not as soft as the Yeezys. Not as soft as the Yeezys, but the Yeezys, they don't really exist anymore, right? Unless you like pay resale, which I'm not a big fan of, and or get like the Walmart versions. But yeah, no, these ain't bad, dude. I like the look. I like that 3D look. I'm a fan of that. I meant the 3D printed look, because obviously it is 3D because it's an actual product. But yeah, they got some forms. I don't know if I've seen these before. It's kind of suede. That's like a mixture of that nylon material, mesh. I'm not the biggest fan of that. Suede, not bad. $110. Like I said, I'd rather get these. This is the Shoe Palace one with that really premium leather, kind of like a Forum 84, which does have that upgraded stuff. The midsole being like aged. It definitely matches with the laces, which look pretty dope. Like those ain't bad, and I think these are cheaper too, $100 because they came out a while back. I guess this location sold out of the brown ones. They had the black and white and the brown and white, but I guess the brown and white sold out. Okay. Still got these pennies. The penny twos. These ain't bad either. I just ain't trying to pay $2 for them. A little bit steep, man. A little bit steep. Then of course the LeBrons. We've been seeing some of them on sale. Will they go on sale? I don't know. We'll see. Shoe Palace kind of has their own brand where they do merch with like different movies and TV shows, that type of stuff. I guess this time it is Half Baked. Kind of interesting. What these going for? $30 or $29? 29 bucks. Got these t-shirts right here. These the matching shorts? I don't know. I don't know what's going on with these. Oh, it's based on an article. Never mind. Okay. They also got Sopranos merch right here. Got a t-shirt. Are these t-shirts the same price? $28? $29.99. So these are a little bit more. Want a stitched t-shirt with Sopranos on it. Pretty fire. There's a picture on the back. I don't want to mess it up because I don't want to refold it. I don't feel bad. But yeah, I do got these bad boys going for 30 bucks. Stitching, pretty nice. Comes also have shorts as well. Pretty interesting. How much are these? How much are these? These shorts are $30 for these bad boys. Okay. And I think this is some of the older stuff, right? Boys in the Hood and stuff. Did they come out with new stuff? I don't know. I have a hard time keeping up with their stuff. They've had Friends things in the past. These are $31 for that t-shirt. It does have embroidery on it, so maybe that's why it's a little bit more. Got Ice Cube. You want Ice Cube on your t-shirt? All right, let's go look around. All right, first of all, the sneaker cleaning guy, one of them was like, "Hey, can I help you clean these Jordans?" And I was like, what the F are you talking about? What Jordans? What are you talking about? And then he's like, "Hey, can I help you clean them?" I was like, "What? Like, what cleaning do they need? Like, how can they get any whiter? Like, the plastic portion, some of that's yellowed, which you can't really do anything about, but like, how could they be any cleaner?" Oh, what is he talking about? What's he smoking? Oh, wait, I got a little smudge right there. All right, we're good now, we're good. I know they're hustling, man, I know. I just like to give them crap about it. But all right, dude got a Footlocker, let's go. Dang, man. Dang, if I don't go on release day, I don't know. The Jordan 1's all sold out? Jordan 1 Wash Pinks all sold out? Is that what it is? Only Jordan 1 they got here. Look, that shelf. Come on, dude. Y'all can't put that in the middle? Yeah, dude got these bad boys right here. These ain't bad, dude. These ain't bad. Maybe if I found them at the clearance store, maybe. I really don't want to pay full price. All right, let's move that. It's like a lot harder with just one hand. Oh, thanks. All right, I have to use two hands. I did fix that for them. Remember when LeBron 20s were hard to find? Look, man, now they got a million different colorways. I know certain colorways are limited and stuff like that, but yeah, sometimes it's just annoying. But yeah, dude got the LeBron lows on sale. Dude got some boots on sale. What are these normally? $180? This is the higher end one, the Geodomes. This does have the Nike Air thing on the bottom. Pretty fire, pretty freaking heavy. Dude got the Manoas right here, slightly cheaper. What these normally go for? These normally go for what? 95 down to 70. I like the look of that one though. Classic look. The LeBron right here, separated from all his siblings. This one is that suede one. I do like these. These are premium though. 210. Man. Checking to see if any of the slides are on sale. This ain't bad. Almost 50% off. Normally 55. Pretty freaking steep. $30, not too shabby. Totally forgot that Mellow. They did release a Mellow slide. Don't know the price. Oh, it's $50 for those. Then these, the Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. And yeah, they did remake these. 2022 production date. So July 2022 production date. I have this one from years and years ago. I forgot to check it. But yeah, $60 for these. Y'all need some running shoes. The Brook Ghost on sale. It's not bad. Brooks make some decent running shoes. I know these are pretty comfy. I don't think it's their max cushion, but it's pretty close. It's pretty close. I think these are their max cushion. The Glycerins. I don't know the price. What's the price of these? $160 for those. Gel Light 3s on sale. I am a fan of those. Nooses on sale. Really like these. These are super light. These have a ton of flavor. Also got this colorway as well, which is pretty fire. all white gel light threes right here. Tumbled buck leather. Go for 90 bucks. All right, I did show you guys what I was wearing. Dude, got the Kobe one. I think these are the noise canceling. Huge fan of these. These were originally made so you could take the Nike sign off and you can actually customize it, all that type of stuff. It does have that unfinished look to it, so you can customize it if you want. I think the plastic has yellowed over time a little bit. And then the Lakers have been balling. 2-1 fools. All right, let's go check out some more stuff. Let's go. Oh, I did forget to mention, did get the jersey. It's an authentic jersey, authentic Nike jersey. Got it at the Nike clearance store for like 70 bucks. Y'all weren't on them like that before it passed. So used to be able to find a ton of dope deals. Now everything's limited, everything's expensive. Everybody on Kobe stuff now. Did grab one of these. I do have one of these at home. Picked it up for $35. I did pick it up from a website. I wasn't sure if that website was legit, but after doing a ton of research, I was able to find out that it is legit. I did get input from a ton of you guys, but I had to make sure I can't be getting stuff from foo-foo websites. But yeah, I did get it from a legit site. They don't have any Adidas on it anymore. I'll definitely make a video regarding that as soon as they're back in stock with Adidas stuff. They have a couple other things, but nothing too crazy. They even have resale stuff on that website, which is kind of weird. But yeah, the Gill Zeros, I do have this colorway. Got it for 35 bucks. Pretty freaking fire. Normally $150. Got the suede ones right there. Laker one right there. And by Laker one, I mean the one where he dropped 60 points on the Lakers on that day. Do have that one at home as well. Okay, a little discount off for that one. $10 off, I think. And the snakeskin one right here. This one's a little too much flavor for me, but I do love that metal plate that they did put on the tongue right there. Yeah, like tons of flavor, man. Does this one really have a price tag on the back right there? Obviously it came off. Customer probably put that in. That's hilarious. At least you know what the original price is and you know what the sale price is. The black and white gazelles on sale. I am a fan of these. The gazelles, they use like such great material. They're just not great for the wide footers. This is more of a narrow shoe, but these are fire. I am a fan of these. Classic look. Classic look. And got these bad boys on sale as well. And yeah, the campus is so they have the campus and the campus 80s. I saw these and I always think about the campus 80s. I guess the original campus are different. I don't know. I didn't mess with Adidas like that long ago, so I don't know. But yeah, these are dope though. These are dope. Kind of like more of a skating vibe to it. I'm a fan of those. $110 for those. And got some retro fees on sale. And then all black forms. Okay, 80 bucks for these. Normally what, 100? 110? Okay, these ain't too bad. I do like that price. Damn, they really jammed in all the Adidas stuff right there. Holy crap. Look at that, Kobe. Come on now. These don't need to be jammed in like that. Come on now, man. Come on. KB1s, though. KB1s, aka Crazy Ones. Huge fan of those. I do got those. A Reebok section right here. They just get this little, what is this? The side of this pillar right here. Man, I still want these. Man, I can't believe they've been on sale at certain spots. Not in LA, though. I haven't seen it on sale anywhere out here. Do got the Shack Attacks, OG Shack Attacks. Not all the stuff I like on sale though. Was that English? I meant none of the stuff that I really like on sale. Do got the 574s right here. All right, let's go, man. Dude, I guess you have to be out on release day, even for some of these Jordans that I'm like super hyped. Have to be out on release day just to guarantee being able to get one. Dang it. Do got a finish line. Let's go. All right, I guess the wash pink's way tougher than I thought. It's not like I wanted them. I just wanted to show you on camera and kind of review them for you guys. Do got the D Rose 1.5s. Dang, $110 off. I've never even seen this colorway. Have I seen this color? I don't know, but hella cheap. Wow. Reeboks. Question high, question lows. Kyrie Flytrap 4s. Oh, Flytrap 6s, my bad. You got the 11s from, what's that, a week and change ago. Got 7s, 6s, those mids. It's the inside out mid right here, going for $135. That's an SE. More mids, lows, and then the 13s. Dude, I really do like these 13s. Man, I think they made a way more of these than the ones. I think they are still limiting the ones. That's kind of the issue with the one highs, or some of the one highs. But yeah, they got these here for what, 200? 200? Yep. Wait, I am kind of dumb because it is in the women's section, but nah, man. Nah, they don't have the J's out here either. Do got the laneys, mids, some lows, some dunks, blazers on the women's section. Checking the grade school. They do have cherries in grade school. Cherry 11s, that's definitely surprising. They did have these they had, I think, B grades at the East LA Nike outlet or community store. They did have those, and then you get 20% off everything, so that's pretty fire. People were hitting me up. Appreciate those of you guys that do give me the info. That's pretty fire that they had those. But yeah, they got grade school here. Check in the men's section. Is this an exclusive, JD exclusive? Because I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I've seen this colorway anywhere else. This is fire, dude. Fire. It is a mixture of, is this like some mediocre nubuck and I can't even tell what kind of leather that is. I think that's just buck leather, textured buck leather, buck 30. Like, I love that colorway though. But a few I haven't seen anywhere else. I haven't seen these cool gray looking ones anywhere else. It's the only spot I've seen them. Dude, got the mixture of materials right here. This one's pretty nice. The 130 for those. Got some nice suede on the bottom, crack leather on the upper. Got all white right there. Yeah, I think this is their own colorway, man. An exclusive colorway, because look, these definitely match. We saw them do that with these Air Max 90, was it the 95s and the Air Max 90s that came out in the cool gray. Really dope color scheming right here. The colorway is freaking fire, not bad. But 175. These are on sale though. These Air Max 97s on sale. This one on sale as well. And yeah, you really can't go wrong with these. When the lights come on, give it a different flavor. Not bad. Oh wait, got this one up top. This one's like wild with the colors. Okay. Wait, look right here. I guess they do have the wash pinks. My bad, dude. I'm tripping. Dude, got them here. Damn, like, material looks pretty nice on these. That leather's pretty soft. I did take the shoe tree out. Leather's pretty nice. Not like the softest, but it feels super soft. But yeah, the suede, kind of that rough suede, kind of similar to the Hyper Royals, as well as the turbo greens. Like, I do like the look. Would I ever wear this though? Like, I don't have the turbo greens. If I had the turbo greens, I do have the Hyper Royals. Like, if I had that, I would probably try to get the entire set. But I don't have the turbo greens. I was wondering if I should buy them used, because brand new they're going for like $450 or something. I definitely pay $450. I was wondering if I should buy them used. They do have them like used my size for like $220 or something like that. Yeah, like $220, $230. Wondering about it. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna pass on these. I don't really see myself wearing pink like that. But these do look fire. Especially if you're down to wear pink. These are women's, so they only came up to what, a 10.5 or something like that. Yeah, these are dope, dude. These are dope. Finally found what I was looking for. I wanted to show you these to you guys and kind of give you guys information. Hope you guys were able to grab these. Okay, not bad. All right, did find what I was looking for. Obviously, I didn't find my size, but I also wasn't going for them, so it is what it is. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Let's wrap it up, dude. Wrap it up.